Firefighters are battling a new fire that sparked south of Helena just this afternoon. The Grizzly Gulch fire is burning toward the south side of Mount Helena near the Mount Helena Ridge Trail, and the latest estimate puts it at 20 to 30 acres. No structures have been reported burned. There are multiple agencies working on the fire, including helicopters and an air tanker making drops. A roadblock was set up at the 1600 block of Grizzly Gulch Road. The area is only open to resident traffic at this time, and no evacuations have been ordered.